Good morning, guys. My name is Noor. Today we will learn about scratch. You remember in first video we learned about code area, separate area, and stage area. Now we will go on Google and search here scratch. Here it is. Now we'll click this one. We are so excited for next video. In next video we will learn more interesting things. But first let's learn interesting things in this video. We don't need this anymore. Now we don't need a sprite and choose our sprite. Let's take a balloon or a butterfly. Let's take a butterfly. Now, let's take a background. Oh, we did a mistake. We always do a mistake while taking a background. Which one should we take? Let's take this one. So the butterfly is flying in the forest. Let's change the butterfly's color. Come on. The colors are same. Let's watch this. What happens if butterfly is like this? It's sitting on a rock. But now it's not time to sit already. Now it's awesome. Now the butterfly is flying right now. First, let's change its color. Now, let's change its color. Now we will make her big wings red. And her smaller one blue, and some hair outlining. This must be blue, and these must be pink, and here it is, our butterfly. So beautiful right now. Now we'll go and code. Alright, let's make our recording. First, we will go on event and take when click flag. Then we'll go on motion and take this one. Now we'll go and here it is. Let's play sound, but until then. Now, we click the flag. Did you see what happened? And my butterfly is moving around. Let's try again. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it, share, subscribe, share with your family and your friends. Take care. Bye.